Guys, welcome to Mathstoon. Today we will learn to find the divisors of 51. If you want to learn more about divisors, please visit mathstoon.com or you can check the link given in the description box. Now let's move to our solution. Firstly, we will see all the ways in which we can divide 51. Let us try from 1. 51 divided by 1 is 51. So 1 and 51 are the divisors of 51. Next, number 2 does not divide 51 as this is an odd number. So we will try for 3 and doing that we get 17. Hence 3 and 17 are the divisors of 51. Now you can see that between 3 and 17 there is no number which can divide 51. So we will stop right now. Now look that we have all the divisors of 51 in orange colors. These are 1, 3, 17 and 51. So the total number of divisors of 51 is 4. Now among these divisors, 3 and 17 are prime numbers because these two numbers do not have any divisor other than 1 and this number itself. So we can say that the prime divisors of 51 are 3 and 17. Thank you for watching. Like and share this video if you find it useful. Give your comment in the comment box. Do not forget to subscribe this channel. Please hit the bell icon to get notification of new videos earlier.